Ring alarm going offline usually means the base station has lost internet. First, check the Connectivity Health dashboard in the Ring app for real-time signal strength. Ensure your base station is within 30 feet of your router. Wi-Fi interference from devices like microwaves can cause drops. Try moving the base station. Power cycle the base station by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Faulty hardware like a damaged Ethernet port can also be the problem. Low sensor battery levels, below 20%, can disrupt signals, so replace them when alerted by the app. Begin with a full system reboot. Unplug the base station for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to reset the connection. Update the Ring app and base station firmware to the latest version. This includes important connectivity fixes that can resolve offline issues. Check your internet service provider for outages. External ISP issues can cause the system to go offline, so verify connectivity first. For Wi-Fi issues, try switching to a dedicated 2.4 GHz channel on your router. This can reduce interference and improve stability. If you have multiple smart devices, they may be causing interference. Try reducing their number or relocating them away from the base station. For persistent problems, consider a mesh Wi-Fi system. It provides stronger, more reliable coverage throughout your home. As a last resort, contact Ring support or consider their professional installation services for expert assistance. Ring also plans satellite backup connectivity by 2026-2027 for areas with poor Wi-Fi, ensuring alarms remain online during outages.